I want to do a little experiment to see how far diesel engines have come over the past 20 years. Now I'm in a Volvo V90 D5 with 235 horsepower from its 2 litre 4-cylinder diesel engine. It can go from 0 to 60 in 7 seconds, yet return 57 miles per gallon. Over there is a 1996 Volvo 850 T5 Estate. Now that's got 225 horsepower from its 5-cylinder 2.3 litre turbo petrol engine. Now that should be able to do 0 to 60 in 7.2 seconds, yet it only returns 29 miles per gallon. This car's got all-wheel drive and an automatic gearbox. That one's front-wheel drive and has a manual gearbox. Now, because I've got an automatic, I can just hold it on the brake, plus I've got all-wheel drive traction. I think he's going to struggle to launch that thing because it's front-wheel drive. It's likely to spin up its front tyres. But let's see. Let's have a drag race, see what happens. Oh, we got a good start, actually. But I'm away. And now, yeah, I'm creating a lead. And I'll keep on pulling. I'm not blowing him away completely, but this is a done deal right there. That's a win. What we're going to do now is have a rolling race in second gear. My car's locked in second gear, his in second gear. Now this car has something called power pulse, which means that when you put your foot down, it sends a jet of air into the turbo to spool it up, so you shouldn't have any turbo lag, but let's see. Of course, his car, 1996, it doesn't have that feature at all. Do you reckon you're going to win this one? You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Come on! Change up, you need to change now! He's got more revs to play with than me! Can I catch him up? Come on! I'm not gaining on him! And that, I'm afraid, is that because I've run out of road. It's one each. It's one each. I wasn't expecting that. Oh well. If you're launching off the line, yeah, this car is faster, but in gear, nah. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it and click on our logo to subscribe to the channel. Also click on the video windows to see more of our great videos.